This is the world's only private Boeing 787 Dreamliner. It costs $70,000 per hour to rent, and it can be flown up to 17 hours at a time.
Good morning.
Behind that wall on the left is a master bedroom. We're going to see that in a sec. So a one-way flight from LA to Sydney would cost you about $1.1 million. All right, let's head into the living room. It's like a house. All these separate rooms everywhere. All right, let's see it, let's see it. Here is the main lounge room, and this has a capacity of only 16 people. A normal Dreamliner can carry 250 people, and you can only have 16 here up front. Look at this lounge, how it separates. It's all for space saving. So you've got 16 VIPs up here in the lounge room, and just wait till you see where the staff and the bodyguards sit. Then up the back, you've got these two full dining tables, and then with a touch of the button, all of the windows open. Look at that. They're like house blinds. Take us to the master bedroom. Come back here for a little kip. Look at that. A full-size double king bed. Nice little hidden TV. And this is Sam. He actually does plane reviews. Go check out his channel on YouTube. He's got more of this. Now check out what's in the back. You've got 16 people in the front. This area here is reserved for bodyguards, assistants, and your staff. And they each have their own first-class reclining seat. So literally everyone travels in style on this plane. Look how many staff members you can bring with you. And then you just sit up the front in luxury on your lounge chair. Quick sneak peek of the cockpit. Nothing unusual here. There he is again. Alright, order some champagne, buddy. How nice would this be?